This first tutorial will cover how to install Python in your Mac operating system, and it's really simple. First of all, you have to go to the Python website, and here you have to download the latest version which you are having. Right now I'm having Python 3.8, so I will install this in my system. When you click on this, if you're using Mac, so you will have this package, and if you're on Windows, you will have this exe. This is a pretty straightforward process where you can install the Mac OS in your system easily. So as I have installed, I will just cancel this. Once this is installed, then you can go to your terminal, and your terminal, if you type Python version, you will have Python 2.7 installed in your system. This is the default version which comes with the Mac, but since we have installed 3.8, so in order to check this, we can say Python 3 with the version, and it will come up with the right version which we have installed. So right now we have two versions, and we can have work on both of these at the same time by creating different virtual environments. Alright, the next step is to download the Python Ide. I am using PyCharm Community Edition. It is one of the best IDE. You can use any IDE, but I will prefer that you use PyCharm. So you can download this by just Google PyCharm, and it will give you this link which is basically free. You don't have to worry about the licensing or anything. You just have to download the full-fledged professional or community edition. I will go for the community edition because it is suitable for this course, and just click on this download button, and after that click on this community, and you will have the free version of the PyCharm for the rest of your life. Okay, so once you have downloaded this, the next step is to create a virtual environment. So the virtual environment is necessary for working on Python projects, because when you have virtual environment, so you are tension free to install any kind of modules in your Python environment. I have created this Python sandbox folder, which I would recommend for you guys to have this on your desktop. Make a folder by the name of virtual environment here, and also another folder by the name of Python projects. Okay, so what you have to do here is, in order to create your virtual environment, head out to this directory which is on the desktop, and go to this virtual environments, and after that you can create a virtual environment by say Python virtual environment, and I will just say YouTube. Since I have already this Python 3.8 installed, I will not create another one. I will be using this Python 3.8, but since just for the sake of this tutorial, I have shown you how you can create another virtual environment. So I have right now this virtual environment ready for me. In order to activate this, what you have to do is just go to this in the bin directory. All you have to do is source activate, and you will have your virtual environment ready to work on. Okay, and if I want to deactivate this, you can write deactivate. So you have now created a virtual environment. The next step is how you can use this virtual environment in your PyCharm community edition. Okay, so when you create your project, which is really pretty simple, by hitting on this new project, right, all you have to do is go to this PyCharm preferences, And in this project interpreter section, click on this and click on show all. In this show all, you can add up your virtual environment from the desktop by following the exact path like this. You have to go to the binary directory to the Python 3 executable binary. Okay, once you are done with this, click on OK, and it will list down all the modules installed in your virtual environment, and then click OK, and you are good to go. Right, now it's time to just say hello world. And I will just run this, and you can see I have this hello world here displayed. Right, you can do anything, but for the sake of completeness of this tutorial, I will just create a simple script which I will explain in the later tutorials, because in the next tutorial I will properly start the Python course. This was introductory tutorial how to set up the environment, because environment is must for the Python project. So let's just take an input from the user, like its name, and then print his name on the screen. Okay, so we'll just say Jamal, and it will give me Jamal, or more politely just tell him welcome. And I will run this, and I will say this Jamal, and it will tell me welcome Jamal to this course. Hopefully you have got the better idea of installing Python in your system and the editor in which you will be working. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment, because I will be starting a complete Python course which will cover all the concepts in the Python, and it will be really helpful for you in your future career. So please leave your queries in the comments, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this with your friends so I can create many more videos like this. Thank you.